How to delete Instagram account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to delete Instagram account permanently. So let's begin. Click on your Instagram account, your Instagram app, and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you are here, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and then click on settings. Once you are right here, simply click on Help, which is the second to the last option. So click on Help and click on Help Center. Once it is done loading, simply search for Delete My Account. Once you have typed in Delete My Account, choose the option that you want and then wait for it to load. You may then choose How do I delete my Instagram account and then wait for it to load once again. So then you just simply scroll down and you may read all of these. So make sure first to read all of this before proceeding to the deletion of your account. So you may click on delete your account under the request the permanent deletion of your account. So click on this button right here. So this is actually a button and not just a plain text. So click on delete your account and wait for it to load. And then now you may choose the option that you want. So you may choose created a second account, too many ads, or many more. So click on too many ads if you want to, and then re-enter your password. So again, make sure to read all of these first, and then as you can see, there is a specific date right here. So your account will be disabled first, and if you don't log in back on your account before June 29, for example, like this one, if you don't log in back your account, then it will be permanently deleted. But let's say, for example, you have changed your mind and before the specific date you want to sign in, then your account will still be recovered. However, after the specific date, your account will not be recovered anymore. So type in your password, click on delete your account, and then that's it. That's how you can delete Instagram account permanently. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.